ni Kuya!
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Okay, hi guys, good evening. This is Pinoy Transporter. Here with me are groups of beautiful ladies coming from the island which they call Tingloy, Batangas. Oh, say something about it, man.
Hello, vlogger! My name is Marjorie. Thank you, Sir Rito, sa magandang pag-accommodate nyo. Friendly. Oh, sana'y marami pa kayong pasahero maisakay. More blessing to come. Thank you, Sir Lito.
Oh, how about those guys at the back? Would you mind speak up? Okay, you're the one who requested for the video, okay?
Thank you, sir, for accommodating.
Pwede naman tayo mag-Tagalog, okay? Say something about your place. Invite them to Tingloy Island. What's Tingloy Island? Where is it?
Tingloy Island. Isang islang magandang isla na hindi ka makakapunta pag hindi ka nagbangka. Kaya punta po kayo doon.
Enjoy
Maraming beach. Masasa Beach, Sipok Island, Isla Sombrero, island hopping, scuba diving.
Sabi ko na nga ba, basta mga taga Batangas, mga sexy, kasi mga korting balisong.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
Tingloy Island, paano ba pumunta ron?
Pag-commute po from Manila, pwede sa Cubao, pwede sa Buendia, and then bus, kahit anong bus, basta biyaheng Batangas, Grand Terminal, Calabarzon, and then meron pong jeep doon, biyaheng Mabini Anilao.
Okay.
And doon nandun na po yung Tingloy Ferry.
Ah, so it's near Anilao.
Yes, Tingloy Ferry is 160 pesos, Tingloy Ferry and 100 environmental fee. And then ang accommodation is only 500, 24 hours with free water,
Free water. I'm so amazed and thankful.
Yes,
Free entrance.
free entrance.
Hindi pala.
Bring food.
Hindi nagpakilala yung nasa likod na gusto mag-vlog eh. Sino ba yun? Pakilala ka naman.
Hello po.
O sige, anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Marilyn from Batangas. Subscribe niyo po si Sir Manolito sa kanyang YouTube channel.
Oh, can you share with us? Anong masasabi niyo sa riding experience niyo sa akin?
Oh, masaya.
Masaya, first time ko din pong
Very
mamit si
relaxing.
Sir Lito. Akala ko kasi ano lang niya to, side trip ba, na akala ko kasi ano siya, para siyang talagang BBM.
BBM.
BBM, batang-batang matanda.
Batang-batang matanda. Kaya ngayon, free kami.
Yes, of course.
Yes, Merry Christmas, Sir Lito.
Happy New Year, Happy Valentine, God loves you. Oh, yung iba hindi nagpapakilala, nagtatago.
Ang inay. Oh, inay.
Inay! Ay, yan sarap pakinggan.
Oh,
Tawagin mo nga si Inay ulit.
Oh, inay. Inay. Oh, I'm Maris. Oh.
Inay, Inay, naku.
Wala pa tayong baba.
Sobrang bait nyo. Dapat kayo ay laging maraming blessing and dumating.
Huwag naman no, sana kunin na ako ni Lord. Ha? Biro
Sana
lang.
lagi kayong ligtas sa pagdadrive nyo. Araw.
Okay,
Marami kayong gabi. Paggabayan kayo lagi ni Lord.
maraming salamat ma'am for all the good things that you have told me, and it's my pleasure to serve you. Katulad ng lagi mong sinasabi, I'm not here just to earn money but also to help guys, and I'm proud and happy to serve these ladies from Batangas City.
Mabuhay! Tingloy!
First time, makabet kayo ng Batangas.
Hindi, meron naman po dati yung lalaki, pero ngayon nakita ko na talaga proven and tested, mga sexy ang taga Batangas. Ulitin ko, mga sexy. Pinaninigan nila ang kanilang katawan na korting balisong. Di ba? At pinaninigan nila ang kanilang edad. Kahit anong edad nila, kahit tumanda pa sila, dapat lagi silang 29. 29. O guys, malapit na kayo. Say Goodbye and
Goodbye!
Subscribe nyo si Sir.
okay guys, so here's your folks once again guys, Pinoy Transporter signing off. Bye.